morning, everybody. It is Christmas Eve in... Oh, what? Yeah, right.
Just kidding.
We are going to get breakfast. I'm not cooking today. I cook a big Christmas Day brunch tomorrow. So we are going to cheat today and go and grab some breakfast. It is a cold, blustery, rainy day here in Michigan, but I'm super excited because I'm digging a trench today.
Did you say blustery?
I did say blustery. Why?
Oh, bother.
It's Winnie the Pooh. You guys like Winnie the Pooh, right? Okay, we're gonna go grab some breakfast and then we're gonna go ahead and go through all the stuff I'm excited about today and digging a trench. Scraping off the car. You're cute. Oh, it is. Our trash can blew over. Shovel blew over. It's a blustery day. Look at all my spring pots ready to go. But first, breakfast. So you guys have maybe heard about what's going on in the state of Michigan, along with many other states around the country. All of our restaurants are completely shut down. If you get food, it basically has to be carry out. Some areas have like tents and stuff. So when I say we're going to get food, we're straight up hitting a drive-through. So Matt is not a fan of eating out. I'm a fan because I didn't have to cook. What'd you get, babe?
I got a piece of bread with a touch of paper thin, maybe egg, and
Oh, I'm sorry.
paper thin bacon.
Oh no.
And they put cheese on it.
But it's fresh baked bread. Can you taste the love that they baked into it for you?
You realize we're gonna have to go out to eat after we went out to eat. So we can actually eat.
Matt likes when I cook at home, which granted, farm fresh eggs and goodness at home, for sure it's way better than this. I got a Chipotle wrap and some steel cut oats and pecans and strawberries, but I took a day off today.
Apparently my stomach did too. They must be telling me I need to go on a diet.
No, not at all. Long story short, Matt is not a fan when I don't cook. True?
It's paper thin.
Oh my gosh. It's not my farm fresh eggs. I'm sorry.
Well, there's no reason for you to be sorry. You did too.
Well, I'm the one that wanted to go out to eat today so I didn't have to cook.
It's fine.
He's not happy. Alright you guys, so this is what we are getting ready to do today. While most people are out on Christmas Eve trying to finish their Christmas shopping, I am getting ready to plant 571 bulbs. So these are all perennials. They should multiply and come back again. This is the start to our cut flower garden here. This is the first time that we're doing this, so let's get to it. All right, so we have lots of trees in our neighborhood. There's a tree, whoa! There's a tree right behind us. Well, its roots go all the way, hold on, from there down, and we are running into them all in there. We're gonna get through this. All right, let's go take a look at all the hard work. There we go. So I'm gonna put some bulb fertilizer down, place the bulbs, and then we're going to cover them and then put the weed shield garden fabric down. Stay tuned. Okay, so you just saw me move everything we dug up from here and throwing it back there. So had we thought about it earlier, we just would have done that in the first place. But upon more talking, we are gonna rip all of this out after the spring to summer changeover. So when all of these spring flowers come up and are done, we'll dig up all the bulbs, put those away for next year, and then this whole entire area is going to be ripped out, and this is going to be like my holistic garden. So all of my lavender, my holy basil, my chamomile, my mint, a bunch of different teas, all of that is going to go out here along with the other summer cut flowers that are probably going to take up the whole front lawn. So you don't have to have a lot of land to have a big dream. This is where I'm starting. So time to place the bulbs. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and talk about the 5 different varieties that I'm going to be planting. I am going to be planting them in order of height, so that way I have my tallest variety in the back and it kind of cascades forward. The first variety that I'm going to be planting is called the Oxford Elite Tulip. It is this gorgeous bicolor tulip. It gets to be about 24 inches tall. It's a beautiful yellow and magenta mixed tulip. I have 96 of those to plant. The next one that I have is the deep royal purple and lavender mixed tulip. It's so incredibly pretty. It's going to be a mixed variety, so I don't know how many are going to be lavender, how many are going to be purple, or the mix, but I have 130 of these to go ahead and plant, and these grow to be about 20 inches tall. So we've got 24, 20. The next one is my daffodil mix. Here's what a daffodil bulb looks like. This is my mix that I got. It is this beautiful ivory and peach yellow buttercream blend. So incredibly gorgeous. I have 105 of these to go ahead and plant, and the daffodil mix that I got is between 16 and 14 inches tall, so that's gonna go great in my height. The next one that I'm going to be planting is this, oh gosh, I'm gonna get roasted in the comments for this, pushchinka. It's also called a striped quill. It's this teeny tiny one right here, but it's a gorgeous flower, you guys. I had never seen these before. It's this really pretty light baby blue, but it has stripes in it, and it's a multi-headed bulb. I have 132 of those, and then I'm gonna finish it off. Those grow to be about 6 inches tall. And then I'm gonna finish it off with my crocus spring blend, which is a gorgeous, it's gonna pull all the colors in together. And this is what my crocus bulbs look like. And these also grow to be about 6 to 4 inches. So it's gonna be 24, 20, 16, 6, 4 to 6. Should work out pretty well. So I'm pretty excited. A little bit of sentimental reasoning behind these colors that I picked, especially in regards to the tulips. When I bought this property here about 6 years ago, I was a single mom. I'd worked really hard to get this house, and my neighbor 2 doors down, her name was Sue. She passed away this year, unfortunately, but she came down and she gave me 3 bulbs of these and 3 bulbs of these. So whenever I see them, they just make me smile. They make me think of her. We adopted her into our family. She didn't have a lot of family herself, so we always took her meals and made sure she was taken care of. And so every time I saw the tulips, I would smile and think of her. So I think of her as I put all these cut flowers in, and hopefully this spring sell some bouquets and bring some smiles to a lot of other people, and I think it's a great way to honor her memory, and I'm really excited about this, you guys. So we don't need a lot of space to start our very big dreams. If you guys have been watching us for a while, you'll know that we are counting down our days to our forever stead. When our 5th graduates, we are out of the city and grabbing our acreage, but I didn't want to start building my dream until we moved, so I wanted to start now. So we're starting at a little bit of smaller of a scale, but we're gonna go ahead and hone our skills and just keep getting our hands in the ground and doing what we can to build our dreams, even though we're in this city. So let's go ahead and place these bulbs. So there is the start to my first 5 rows. We're just going to continue all the way down. Okay, you guys, we are all finished for the night. I am going to go inside and heat up, take a shower, and then go celebrate Christmas with my family. But we are done. I am so excited to just wait for the spring and see everything that develops. It's a lot of hard work, but definitely worth it. Let's go see what Matt's doing. Oh, there's Remy. Hey, baby. All finished. Excellent. So, in closing, because now it's really dark out, so I gotta turn around. Turn around, baby. Woo, it's chilly. Alright, you guys, we want to wish you a very Merry Christmas from our homestead to yours, and remember to sow seeds in life and in the garden too. Have a wonderful Christmas and Happy New Year, you guys. Bye!